Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys move forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it, starting with SUI. So SUI, we've been getting this question a lot. What do we think about SUI? I'm going to tell you my honest thoughts and what we're thinking when we did some analysis and research on the project. Diving into SUI, SUI delivers the benefits of Web3 with the ease of Web2. You can start building, learn about SUI. Most innovative companies built on SUI, and they have major partnerships already, guys. Major partnerships, scalable infrastructure that's fast, secure, and affordable, unrivaled speed coupled with low, predictable fees, which means cost stays down when demand goes up. So love what I'm seeing here. Over 297,000 TPS. And that is huge, guys. Very fast, uniquely achievable on SUI. Saying here that it's designed to deliver on the promise of Web3. So let's dive right in. Straight off, going to the price, guys. You guys know, you guys have asked, what do I think about it? Is it a good buy? That's been the question. What I'm going to tell you, this is financial advice. It's just what we think, just what we're doing. So looking at SUI price, SUI sitting at $2.32. Guys, you remember yesterday what I told you about price. Under no circumstances will I ever buy any project that is at or near all-time highs. Okay, it's just not what I do. And this is what you see here with SUI. We can actually go to the chart so you can see it. You see here at SUI, we see right here that we're at all-time high territory. Taking a look here at SUI, we are at all-time highs. Okay, there's under no circumstance will I buy a project that is at or near all-time highs. This is where we're at. So you guys are asking me what I think. I don't think it's a buying opportunity right now. Okay, not right now. Need a pullback, need some corrections. Not right now. Okay, putting up some support and resistance so you can see it, so you guys can see exactly the zones. Go to the daily time frame as well so you can see it a little bit better. Make sure that we're aligned, and that's what I'm seeing, guys. I'm seeing here that it's pretty evident that this is not the right time to buy SUI despite the hype. So what's going to happen? I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen. I called this on Ando too, by the way. When we were asked about Ando, we brought it on the channel. We said, look, Ando's not a buy. And let's look, where's Ando at now? This is when we'll just talk about Ando. Ando went through the same hype. Crazy. Everyone's talking about Ando. It's $1.46. I'm like, there's no way I'm buying Ando at $1.46. I'm just not doing it. I was like, if anything, I said, look, I will buy Ando at about 50 cents. 50, I think I said 50 to 70 cents. That's where I'll buy Ando, because it's overpriced. It's already at its all-time high. I'm just not paying that price for Ando. And what happened? Pullback, okay, a correction. And people got wrecked. People were buying the hype, listening to influencers saying, yeah, buy this, buy this. This is how it's not just buy this. How do you buy it? When do you buy it? Do not buy projects when they're at their all-time high. Just because you have FOMO. Forget the FOMO. Think logically. Okay? There's no scenario looking at SUI. There's no scenario where I'm buying SUI at the current price, no matter how good the project is. Let's dive into the project a little bit more. Okay? Taking a look here on their Twitter, right? Crazy Twitter following. Okay? Layer 1 blockchain designed to make digital asset ownership fast, private, secure, and accessible to everyone. Now, there is talk about SUI getting in to the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. Okay, currently sitting at 15 out of nowhere. Okay, so seeing that and seeing where it's at, currently at 15, I don't think it's out of the question for it to come into the top 10. Okay, it's not out of the question, but there's some heavy players in the top 10. Okay, heavy players in the top 10. Okay, Cardano and Toncoin are battling for the 10 spot. Okay. So heavy hitters, we'll see what happens. Okay, I don't think it's out of the question, but we'll see. SUI has a lot of momentum behind it right now. It's trending. I get it, but let's dive in. So we go to learn. We see, key features of SUI, and we see, the gaming use case, right? The low fees on the finance side, the commerce side, greater customer engagement and value. Okay, the values being added here, that's undeniable, right? So my only concern is you have influencers who are telling you to buy it now. It doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. Under what scenario would you ever buy any asset at its peak? You make money when you buy not depreciating. I would say underperforming or undervalued assets at a discount, or you buy supreme assets at a discount. Okay, that's where the money is made. Buying assets at top price in anything, not even just crypto, anything, is never a good idea. And that's what we see here at SUI, unfortunately. Okay, do I think we could get a pullback? Sure. Everything's based on Bitcoin. So we see Bitcoin here, we see the chart, and we see what's going on. Taking a look here, if Bitcoin pulls back, I think there is a buying opportunity for SUI. Okay, I do think there is a buying opportunity for sure. Okay, just not at these price points. There's no way. There's no way. You look to the left, you see that it's never been there before. Why in the world would I ever? Why would anyone ever buy it at the current price? And it's going to happen. So what's going to happen is people are going to buy at this price. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen. Just happened with Ando. People are going to buy the hype because it's trending. It's going to come up. Made a new high, right? This is where we're at. They're going to buy. It's going to start pulling back. People are going to sell here. This is where psychologically they're going to sell here. It's going to pull back even further. Oh, shoot. If they sell at a loss, only to potentially continue upwards. That is exactly what's going to happen. You know, that's what we think. Okay, nothing's guaranteed, but that's exactly what we saw on Ando. Okay, Ando did the exact same thing. Ando was on trending. Everyone's talking about buy Ando, right? Pull back. It was up here. This is when everyone's saying buy Ando, buy Ando. Ando pulled back, dumped back, all the way back here. Okay, to get to a reasonable buying zone, a reasonable price action around 50 to 60 cents. Okay, a reasonable price point for Ando. Okay, this area is a reasonable price point. Okay, and that's what we see with Ando, and that's what we're seeing with SUI. Okay, so SUI's adding a lot of value, right? Adding a lot of value. You can see it. You can see it everywhere. Okay, major partnerships. USDC on SUI. Okay, already, and to be honest with you, that's a big deal. Okay, USDC launching on SUI, that's a big deal, because there's some projects that have not made that partnership with USDC or USDT on their platform yet. That is big. That is big. So here they're saying this is no ordinary stablecoin. USDC enables seamless Web3 interactions in the real world, from purchasing SUI Play OX1 to movie tickets. You will be able to purchase with the same speed, security on a fully on-chain transaction. Huge. Okay, major. So this is major, and I see the value that's being added with SUI. Okay, I see the value, but from an investor, it's not the right time. Wait for the pullback. Okay, it may go higher. It may go higher. There's always a pullback. In healthy markets, there's always a pullback. If there's no pullback and it just heads up to the moon and never pulls back, stay away from it. It's probably a pump and dump. You're about to get wrecked. Just to be honest with you. The money's in the pullbacks. The money is buying valuable assets at a discount. Okay, so those are my thoughts on SUI. Definitely wanted to highlight that. A ton of momentum around it and a ton of partnerships around it. And to be honest with you, I'll show you how big this USDC launch is on SUI. There's some blockchain products that have been around for 2-3 bull runs that are still don't have USDC on it. Okay, layer ones. So that's the relevance there. There's L1s out there that have still not gotten stable coins on their layer one blockchain. Okay, for whatever reason. So there's a significance there with this announcement, guys. So definitely a huge shout out to SUI for doing that as well. Just going through and seeing some updates here. We see that, you know, they're out there. LA Tech Week community meetup. SUI, they're out there. It's coming in less than a week, October 17th. You'll be able to join that meetup and be a part of that. Okay. Here we see here that they have the SUI wallet, the SUET, and bring first class hardware wallet experience to SUI. No more manual app installs, endless errors. Recently, besides supporting ledgers, SUET partnered with OneKey HQ and Keystone Wallet to bring superior hardware wallet to the SUI network, guys. So they're making moves. making moves, bringing value to the marketplace, guys. So definitely love it. Definitely am going to wait on the sidelines to see a pullback, guys, to really get a better entry before starting to dollar cost average, and preferably before we really go parabolic, guys. So definitely wanted to highlight that. Check out Sui. Very, very, very promising project, and I believe it has the potential to go to the moon, guys. So definitely hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.